Today, let's talk about factor meals. Exploring factor meals or innovative concepts and working of factor meals. Let's talk about what are factor meals. Introduction. The modern world has witnessed a significant shift in lifestyles, leading to an increased demand for convenient, nutritious, and time efficient meal solutions. In response to this demand, a new trend has emerged that is known as factor meals. Factor meals are meticulously designed, pre-packaged meals that aim to provide balanced nutrition, convenience, and customizable options for a diverse range of dietary preferences and restrictions. This comprehensive exploration delves into the concept of factor meals, how they work, their benefits, and potential drawbacks. Now let's talk about factor meals or what are factor meals. Let's understand them. Factor meals, also known as meal replacement or meal delivery solutions, offer a convenient way for individuals to maintain a healthy diet without the need for extensive meal planning, preparation, and cooking. These meals are typically pre-portioned and packaged, containing a well-rounded combination of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Now the question rises why they are designed. They are designed to serve as substitutes for regular meals, aiding in weight management, fitness goals, and even providing sustenance during busy periods. As we all know that all the lives are very busy. Working mechanisms of factor meals. Nutritional balance. Factor meals are meticulously crafted to provide a balanced mix of nutrients, ensuring that consumers receive the essential components their body need for optimal growth. This nutritional balance can aid in weight management, muscle recovery, and overall well-being. Customization. Many factory meal providers offer customizable options to cater to individual preferences and dietary restrictions. Customers can choose from a variety of meals based on factors such as calorie intake, dietary preferences. For example, you offer instance vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and specific health goals. Portion control. Portion control is an essential aspect of factor meals. By providing predetermined portion sizes, these meals help individuals manage their calorie intake, thereby supporting weight loss or maintenance goals. Number 4. Convenience. Yes, these meals are convenient for everyone for a busy lifestyle. They eliminate the need for grocery shopping, meal preparation, and cooking, making them an attractive option for those with busy lifestyles. And everyone has a busy lifestyle these days. This convenience factor can save time and reduce stress associated with meal planning. Number 5. Nutrient density. Factor meals are designed to be nutrient dense, meaning they pack a high amount of essential nutrients into a relatively small calorie value. This ensures that consumers receive the necessary nutrients without consuming excessive calories. It's the talk about that persons that have a calorie issue or they don't want to get fat, they want a healthy lifestyle for themselves. Satiety and hunger management. The macronutrient composition of factor meals, particularly the inclusion of proteins and fibers, helps promote satiety and regulate hunger, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Fitness support. Factor meals are often used by fitness enthusiasts for post workout. They provide the necessary protein and carbohydrates to aid in muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. Now, what are the benefits of factor meals? Number 1. Time saving. Factor meals eliminate the need for meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking, saving individuals valuable time. As we all know that time and tide wait for none, and time is very precious to everyone in such busy lifestyles. Portion control. Pre-portioned meals assist in controlling calorie intake, supporting weight management and portion awareness. Number 3. Nutritional consistency. Factor meals provide consistent nutrition, reducing the chances of nutrient deficiencies and imbalances.